Hardware-based security. So much more than just a security chip. It is the most cost-effective route to robust security. Why? Let us walk you through it. To integrate security into your products, you can invest heavily in software development, or simply implement a security chip. To manufacture secured products, you can invest heavily in a secured manufacturing facility, or simply choose a security chip. Our security chips remain protected throughout the entire value chain. We have invested a lot in a secured and certified production environment, so you don't have to. Security challenges are constantly evolving. The choice is yours. You can build up a large team of security experts and invest heavily in research and development to stay ahead, or buy into the expertise already built into our hardware-based security solutions. Saving costs is just one of the many benefits of hardware-based security. Hardware-based security, more than you ever expected.